piece of wood just like this and find. It doesn't matter what color of long paracord you have. Just it has to be long if you want to catch fish from a long distance. You tie the paracord to the wood. After you tie those two paracord together, and then you tie it to the wood. Or you can tie it to the wood and then tie those together. And then you can make your canoe, which I'm still gonna make mine. And Bob Levi's going to do it.
Is there any advantage to using a certain color of paracord, like say black or OD green over pink or orange?
You can use what other color you want to use. It just has to be long.
Okay. Do you have to make your fishing pole look like a triangle?
No.
Okay.
You can have it straight like a stick. That you have to have a long stick.
Is there a certain species of wood that is best, like say maple or beech?
Or you can use apple wood or maple, beech, whatever.
Okay. Last question. Does it help to be missing both of your front teeth when you make your fishing pole? Okay. Awesome.